Hey guys, it's Eddie here. We're checking out some properties that I bought just a little while ago. Bought this property here that we're coming up on about, say, 7 years ago. This is going back to when I was about 19 years old, 20 years old. Property's coming up just on the side here. So that's the property there behind me. So it's a 3-bedroom house, this one. We're about 25 minutes out of Adelaide, so we're about within the northern suburbs, of course. I bought this one behind me for about I think it was about $120,000. This is going back around 2011, and the property right there, so it's not in the best condition, but it's pretty neat and tidy. It's 3 bedrooms, has a garage there as well, and you know, it's on a pretty big block. It's on about 600-700 square meter block. So I bought that one, you know, for around $120,000. Adelaide market's, you know, it's one of the slower markets, but it's still, you know, looking at it today, you're probably looking around 170, 180,000 roughly. But the rental return was a big one for me on this one. So when I bought it, it was I bought it for around 120,000, and it was renting out for $220 a week at that stage. So it was around the 9% rental yield. And yeah, so, you know, back then it paid for the council rates, paid for the water rates and management fees and all that kind of stuff. And you know, it's just a basic fundamental property. So it's a semi-detached property, that one there. But yeah, it's overall, I've had tenants in there, you know, not an issue for the past, you know, 5-6 plus years that I've owned it. And this kind of property behind me, it's one of the ones that obviously you purchase, because it's so good, strong cash flow. Like, the repayments on this thing per month is around $360 roughly a month, and I get about $1,000 a month in rent from this property right here. So yeah, it's a good $630 a month positive cash flow. You got to pay council rates and all that kind of stuff as well, but, you know, put it this way, if you have 10 of these things, it's bringing you in, you know, say $6,000 a month. That's not bad. That's, you know, that's overall, it's not bad. Yeah, I did a renovation on this property going back a while ago. You know, I flew here, totally painted the inside, the kitchen, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just wanted to you know, check out some properties that I bought in the past. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep showing you some properties that I've got a couple more that I picked up over the last few years. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.